What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on a 2024 Saxdor 320 GTO. Come meet me on the boat. So now we're up on the Saxdor 320 GTO. We're going to start from the back, work our way forward. These Saxdors are some of the most versatile boats in the 32-foot class. You have the fold-down sides, an air-conditioned cabin, plenty of seating that you can adjust throughout the boat. You have twin 300s on this boat. This boat will do around 60 miles an hour. You have joystick with these engines. You can board on both port and starboard. You have these nice sponsons off the back of the boat that you can board from the back. This backrest here can be adjustable. You have two buttons. You can either press the port side and move it, or you can press the starboard and that'll adjust the angle of the backrest. So moving that forward, you're going to do two latches, and this is a massive storage compartment. Be a great spot for purses. We got some life jackets and anchor down here, fire extinguisher, some dock lines. There's just tons of space down there. And working our way forward, we have our unfinished teak table. This is in the resting position. This can actually be dropped down and extend the table out. You can move the backrest to face forward. Then you can have two couples on either side of the seat. This chair, or this bench seat, is on a sliding track, so you can manually adjust it. There's just a pin on either side. This boat has a fairly high hardtop. It's pretty oversized. You have plenty of sun coverage with this. You have some lights coming off the hard top here. This boat also is equipped with a radar. That was an add-on we did. Now, another thing I want to point out is that this boat has the enclosure package. You'll see it off the hard top here, all this zippered. So this area underneath the hard top, there's isinglass you can put up and be fully enclosed throughout here. Now this panel here on the starboard side, that's where you control your technical hatch, which is underneath the back seat, and that's electric, as well as both the fold down sides. It's just simply press this button. This will pop off the fold down side, and then you can control it with the panel. Now, we have the seat here slid back on the track, which allows you to access this summer kitchen area. You have the beautiful glass countertop, which then when you open it up will reveal the sink and a hot top, as well as a little cutting board area and 6 cup holders. If you wanted to sit at the teak table, I'll just slide this back forward and then you can sit at the table. But this is great for entertaining. People like to go to the sandbar, cook up some food. There's also plenty of storage throughout here. You have plenty of drawers, and you have a refrigerator on both sides of this with plenty of storage. Now coming to the helm, you have 3 seats which are all bolstered, as well as a smaller storage compartment underneath here where you can put a lunchbox, any bags. This is also where your battery switches are. Now at the helm, you have a flush-mounted dual Simrad display, as well as wireless chargers, cup holders. These Saxdors are very well equipped between joystick. You have auto trim tabs and a bow thruster. Your windlass controls are just to the left of the steering wheel. So now we're going to go down into the cabin of the boat. I'm about 5'11" for reference. You have a bench seat on the port side. You have your head behind this door, so you can have some privacy. You have a cabinet on the starboard side, as well as about a queen size bed. This is the isinglass enclosure. I have a temporary store down here. For example, you have lights on both sides. Some nice natural lighting getting in through here as well, and you do have more ceiling lights. Now come meet me up in the front of the boat for the rest of the video. So we're going to finish out the video up in the front of the boat. One key thing I want to point out here, obviously we don't have the cushions up here, but these two Glass panels here are actually escape hatches. If for some reason you couldn't get out the back hatch, this is a safety feature for this boat. You can actually open these up from the inside and get out. And then you can also have the snaps here where you can put that orange cushion, which matches the rest of the interior, up here for lounging. You have a grab handle on both sides of the boat, as well as speakers, so you can still be enjoying the music, entertaining up here. When you have the sandbar, you have no better view than this, nothing obstructing your view. All the way forward, this is a hatch for your windlass. The two Saxdors have a flush mounted windlass. Makes for a very clean, sleek look. And you can see the Simrad radar I had pointed out previously. This boat is very, very well equipped. As I mentioned previously, if you want to come see this boat, call us today or come into MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Chad.